Can't believe the destruction. Crush it. Right now, join me on a breathtaking journey amidst the roar of engines, where giant excavators begin to move.
Let's find this.
Starting with the DeCarlo machine, equipped with a 500 horsepower engine, quickly dismantled the collapsed house after the fire. With its superior power, the machine can complete the job in a short time, freeing up space and cleaning up the rubble effectively, helping to quickly rebuild the area. Next, with the Hyundai Hanil Ready Mix trying to climb the slope, the driver of the fresh concrete truck clearly encountered many difficulties. When the front of the car was light, the front wheels were continuously lifted, causing the car to lose momentum, and the driver had to continuously jump up to control against the resistance of the slope. With a powerful 2,000 horsepower engine, the Bucyrus Erie 2570W tractor begins its journey to destroy this sleeping giant. The process is both challenging and impressive, breaking all limits. Bridge demolition is a challenging task that requires a high level of skill. However, the Liebherr R966 with its 500 horsepower engine, combined with the new 70 Malawian Quatches Trevi Beni, easily coped with the task. The operator's precise control clearly demonstrates the power of the machine. Not stopping there, the powerful Bomag trash compactor crushed 2 cars in just a moment. Specially designed to operate in harsh conditions at landfills, the machine is capable of compressing large trash and materials, helping to solve the job efficiently and quickly. With powerful swings, the 700 horsepower JD excavator rushed into the old house. The deafening sound of cracking echoed as the structure collapsed, each wall fragmented. But with superior power and absolute precision, the job was completed in a flash, leaving a clean and tidy plot of land. An abandoned silo is being demolished with only the powerful nail, equipped with a 700 horsepower engine. With superior power, the large crane moves precisely. Each piece of concrete is torn apart, falling to the ground. The impressive scene as the desolation of the silo is gradually erased. Soon after, the world's longest truck, with its enormous size, moves on the road, creating dangerous moments. This heavy machinery overcomes all challenges, demonstrating its strength and efficiency in transporting huge goods, despite the difficulties on the road. Oh no, the Chavin Express bus was stuck in the middle of the muddy and rocky road, its wheels stuck deep into the mud. Under the weight of the mud, the bus could not move. People tried to pull, using strength and tools to rescue it. However, the bus could not bear it, suddenly collapsed, sinking deeper into the mud.
Положить так и порвать вот эти провода.
The powerful excavator, equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, is working tirelessly to dismantle the old water tower. With its mechanical arm extended high, it carefully lifts and breaks up the rigid structures, ensuring a quick and
Все, не
safe
матюкайся,
dismantling
тут Дніпро буде
process.
дивитися, а ти матюкаєшся.
If you love dramatic adventures, don't forget to leave a like. Wow, this is an interesting sight as the powerful diesel car rushes forward with 2 fire tubes burning on the front of the car. The smoke and fire shoot out strongly, creating an impressive and powerful image, attracting all eyes. Thanks to the unique technology of manufacturing, assembling, and installing water towers, the process is fast and efficient. Modern machines support every step, from the production of components to the installation of large water towers. Advanced technology ensures high precision and superior quality. The powerful excavator with a 400 horsepower engine, when lifting the heavy rock to the stream bank, slammed its head into the water. However, with the huge weight of the rock, the excavator became unstable, making the job even more stressful and challenging. A powerful 2017 Komatsu D375A6 is digging clay into the rock and pushing it into a Caterpillar 992C at an open pit mine. The power and performance of these machines is impressive. Want to see more big bulldozers? Leave a like. With its superior power, the Scania R730 or mating in 2, equipped with a 730 horsepower engine, is capable of transporting heavy excavators weighing several tons with ease. The strong and durable design helps the truck overcome all difficult terrain, optimizing performance and ensuring safety during the transportation of heavy equipment. In a major step forward in recycling technology, the VTN Scrap Shear CI 7000 Bulldozer, with its powerful engine, is demonstrating its superior capabilities at the dedicated recycling plant. Combined with the VTN Scrap Shear, scrap processing becomes fast and efficient. The Lorem BC 11 ballast cleaner is a powerful 450 horsepower motor designed to maintain and improve track performance. With its efficient and fast cleaning capabilities, it ensures that the track is always in optimal condition. In the large-scale demolition project, the CAT 374 excavator was used to dismantle the entire complex of 2 buildings connected by a walkway. Larackers not only carried out the demolition work, but also carried out excavation and reinforcement, ensuring progress and safety during the construction process. Can't take my eyes off. Cummins QSK-19, with 750 horsepower, is working at full capacity on the Liebherr 984 Carrara Ford. The roar of the engine echoes through the space as the giant machine plunges into the hard rock layers. Each powerful dig is like a test of endurance, demonstrating superiority and the ability to work tirelessly. In a special transport operation, the Liebherr 974 excavator was moved by a Goldhofer trailer, making for an impressive heavy-duty display. The 80 kilometers movement of this giant excavator was carried out by a Goldhofer hydraulic trailer and a powerful MAN TGX 41.680 tow truck. The noise from the demolition process can be quite loud, but the powerful excavator did a great job. With the ability to effectively handle tough concrete structures, the excavator helps create epic content, bringing impressive results in the work. In the industrial lifting field, Asia Group DMAG with its powerful 600 horsepower engine has a maximum lifting capacity of 1,102,000 pounds, overcoming all challenges. Compared to the LTM 660,000 pound lifting beam, DMAG has an outstanding load capacity, making it easy to handle heavy work and achieve high efficiency in the construction industry. Moving house to Rimmer Road with the lorry was incredible. The lorry is large and powerful, capable of transporting large quantities of furniture, but when faced with difficult terrain, the heavy weight became an obstacle. To complete the task, the lorry needed the support of other vehicles to overcome this challenge. Oh my God, that's horrible. The small boat Sidewinder with its 450 horsepower engine swayed strongly, rushing through each fierce wave. The roar of the engine rang out, but suddenly, a loud rumble came from underwater. The waves continued to beat strongly. The situation became more and more tense, but the boat still fought persistently, overcoming the challenge.